Your email address is the master key to your digital world. It's the one credential that connects you to almost every aspect of your online identity, from your finances to your social life and even your work. Think about it. Nearly every important account you own is linked to this single point of access. It unlocks your bank, social media, shopping, and nearly every online service you use. Whenever you reset a password or verify your identity, it's your email that's called upon. This makes your inbox the central hub for your digital existence. Using the same email everywhere creates a single point of failure. It's like building a fortress but leaving the front gate wide open for anyone who finds the key. If that address is compromised, attackers can access everything. They can reset your passwords, impersonate you, and even lock you out of your own accounts before you realize what's happening. Most people don't realize this risk until it's too late. The shock of losing access to your accounts or seeing your private information leaked can be devastating and difficult to recover from. The convenience of one email comes at a steep price. You're putting all your eggs in one basket. It may seem easier to manage, but it also means a single breach can unravel your entire digital life in moments. Every new sign-up or newsletter exposes your core identifier to potential breaches. Each time you share your email, you increase the number of places it can be stolen or leaked. Free email providers like Gmail or Yahoo tie your identity to their platform and policies. You're not just trusting them with your messages, you're trusting them with your entire online presence. If your account is locked or the provider changes its rules, you could lose access to your digital life. Years of memories, contacts, and important documents could vanish overnight, with little recourse. This centralized model is outdated and dangerous in today's high-stakes internet. The risks have grown, but the way we manage our digital keys hasn't kept up. Criminals know your email is the gateway to identity theft and fraud. They target it relentlessly, knowing that one successful attack can open countless doors. Relying on a single email is like using one key for your house, car, and office, a risk you can't afford. In a world where digital threats are everywhere, it's time to rethink how you protect your most important asset, your identity. When your email is leaked in a breach, it's not just a minor inconvenience, it's the start of a chain reaction that can have serious consequences for your digital life. The fallout is just beginning. Suddenly, you may notice a flood of suspicious messages, urgent warnings, and requests for personal information. Your inbox fills with spam, phishing attempts, and dangerous malware links, all designed to trick you into revealing even more about yourself or infecting your device. Spammers and cybercriminals buy leaked emails in bulk on the dark web, using them to launch relentless attacks aimed at stealing your money, identity, or sensitive data. Breaches often expose not just your email address, but also passwords, phone numbers, and other personal details you thought were private. Attackers combine this stolen data to craft convincing, targeted scams and launch credential stuffing attacks, where they try your passwords on other sites you use. If you reuse passwords, a single leak can put your most sensitive accounts, like banking, shopping, or work, at risk of being hacked in seconds. Your email becomes a constant target, as attackers know it's the gateway to resetting passwords and accessing other accounts. Exposure doesn't just attract criminals. Marketers and data brokers also track your activity, building detailed profiles and invading your privacy. Each time you use your main email online, you leave a digital footprint, giving away more pieces of your identity to companies and potential attackers alike. The result is a gradual, often irreversible loss of control over your personal information, making it more important than ever to protect your inbox and your identity. Ready to take control of your email? Here's how a custom domain changes the game. With your own domain, you're not just a user, you're the admin. You can create addresses like contact@yourlastname.com, giving you a professional identity you fully control. Set up a catch-all to generate unique addresses for every service, no extra setup required. If spam targets a specific address, you'll know exactly where it came from and can block it instantly. This level of control just isn't possible with a single generic email. Plus, custom domains free you from big tech, giving you more privacy and independence. Your digital identity becomes stable and portable, truly yours. It's the foundation for a secure, private online presence on your terms. A custom domain makes your email identity portable and future-proof. Free providers lock you in. Switching means updating every account and contact. With your own domain, you can change email hosts anytime, just update your MX records. If your provider suffers a breach or shuts down, your addresses stay the same. Your contacts and logins remain unaffected, only the back-end changes. This flexibility means you're never stuck with a provider you don't trust. Owning your domain is investing in a stable, independent asset. You're free to choose the best provider anytime. Your email identity stays secure and private, no matter what happens in tech. That's true digital independence. A custom domain is the foundation. Simple Login is the fortress that guards your digital identity. In today's world, protecting your email is more important than ever, and Simple Login makes it effortless. With Simple Login, you can generate disposable email aliases that forward messages directly to your real inbox, keeping your personal address private and secure. Create a unique alias for every website or service you sign up for. No two sites ever see the same address. This means your real address always stays hidden, safe from prying eyes and potential leaks. Setup is quick and straightforward. Just connect Simple Login to your inbox, whether you use Gmail, Outlook, or any other provider. Then, with a single click, you can create as many aliases as you need, whenever you need them. If an alias starts receiving spam or unwanted messages, simply disable it instantly. No more junk mail cluttering your inbox. All your aliases are managed from a single, easy-to-use dashboard, giving you full control and oversight. You can even reply to emails using your alias, so your real address is never exposed, even when you respond. Combine Simple Login with your own custom domain for maximum flexibility and control. Create aliases like Netflix at yourdomain.com, or let Simple Login generate random ones for you. Tailor your privacy to your needs. This layered defense keeps data brokers at bay, making it much harder for companies to track or profile you. It also helps block breaches at the source, stopping threats before they ever reach your real inbox. With Simple Login, you get a simple yet powerful shield for your inbox, giving you peace of mind and true control over your digital life. In summary, relying on one email for everything is a dangerous habit. A single leak can open the door to spam, scams, and identity theft. Free providers lock you in and limit your control. The smarter path is owning your email identity with a custom domain. Catch-all addresses and aliases let you pinpoint leaks and block threats. Services like Simple Login make it easy to compartmentalize and protect your digital life. Setting this up takes little time and pays off in lasting security. Don't wait for a breach. Take control now, invest in your privacy, and turn your inbox into a fortress, not a liability.